Week 7. What is DNA? In all living things there is variation. This means that there are differences between living things, even when they belong to the same species. Clearly, these are all cats, but they do not all look the same. They have a number of different characteristics. The same is true of this group of people. They are different sizes, they have different hair colour, eye colour, skin colour, shape of nose, and many other things. Some of these variations are because of their environment, the things that they eat, how much exercise they have, etc. Some of these variations are because of their genetic information. It is interesting to note that despite all these differences, when we look at mothers and daughters and fathers and sons, we can often see similarities. The reason that this happens is because half of the information that makes us the way that we are comes from our fathers and half comes from our mothers. It is therefore not surprising that we look a bit like our mothers and a bit like our fathers. The information that makes us the way that we are is coded onto chromosomes. In each of our ordinary body cells there are 23 pairs of chromosomes, so in total there are 46 chromosomes. These chromosomes are in the nucleus of each cell, and they are made of long molecules of a substance called DNA. There are sections on each chromosome known as genes, and these genes control the way in which our bodies are formed. The situation is the same for all living things, but the number of chromosomes involved is different. You probably remember that in order for a new life to be formed, a sperm cell and an ovum cell must join together. These special cells have half the usual number of chromosomes, one from each pair. When a sperm and ovum join together, the first new cell with the full number of chromosomes is formed. From then on, every new cell is a copy of this original first complete cell. This is how half of the information about the way that we are comes from our mothers and half from our fathers.